Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic low beam bulb, updated. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to be safe. Remove the rubber dust cover from the back of the headlight housing and unclip the bulb connector. Carefully twist and remove the old bulb, avoiding touching the glass, and prepare the new bulb for installation. With gloves on, unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight back. Remove the rubber dust cover and locate the bulb retaining clip or socket, then depress and unfasten it carefully. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to free it from the housing and slide it out gently, taking note of the bulb orientation for correct reinstallation and avoiding contact with the glass at all times. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and quick how-tos. Quick recommendation: I love the darn tough socks shown here, and they make kneeling in the driveway more comfortable. Life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick up a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Hold the new bulb by the base, align its tabs with the socket, and insert it without touching the glass. Rotate the bulb clockwise until the retaining clip or socket secures it, then reconnect the electrical connector and test the light briefly. If the beam is correct, replace the rubber dust cover, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and do a final check of both low beams before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.